good to go, my friend. Enjoy.
All right, here we go. I want to get a nobody on the bridge photo op.
Oh, it's shaky.
Oh, it's wobbling. Okay, no. Don't do that. That was a little terrifying, not gonna lie. I'm so glad we did. Look at this. This is fucking gorgeous. Have you seen trees like this before?
No, honestly, these are the biggest.
Yeah, Kane, you're perfect, eh? I need to know what you're doing, so don't... You got that, dude?
Yeah. This is why I film.
Nice. Important part. Very important, very important. Look at this, the Olympic rain. Are you getting on people walking by without masks in the background?
So we haven't had McDonald's for over a week since we got to Whistler. So we decided
We're rewarding ourselves by getting McDonald's. Oh yeah.
Can you park here, sir?
Can I what?
Park here.
Yes, I can park the car. Alright,
that means it's gonna be fresh. It means it's not ready yet.
we deserve this.
They won't let us go up the gondola without bikes, so we need some calories before a hike.
Yeah.
Don't move. Even after I do the GoPro, because I want to come back and take the same shot with you standing there because it looks cool. You can look at the GoPro.
Oh, okay. Now what?